See, today the new SOP of the Goa government as far as quarantine is concerned, I as a petitioner in the High Court have pleaded that this 14 days or 7 days paid quarantine for seafarers and also for NRIs, it is arbitrary, it is not just. Because in this pandemic and COVID time, everybody is losing their job. And when you come back to your home country, your home, you should not be charged, especially for quarantine and especially when you are when you are negative. So this has been challenged. We've been asking the government for a long time that not to charge in this situation. However, only in Goa we were made to pay for the quarantine, even still when you are negative. In all other states in India, it was not charged. So I had to go to the Honorable High Court to ask for, justice. So today, before our next hearing could take place in a couple of days later, which was in a few days, we are relieved that the new SOP by the government of Goa, the seafarers and whoever is coming from NR and non-resident Goans will not be going into paid quarantine, which is a big relief. So once they do their test, we have never objected against the test. You do the test and then if the test comes negative, you have to go home quarantine. That's what the MHA guideline in the beginning, Home Affairs guideline has to say. But however, this was not followed. So today, I think so far 2,300 seafarers have come so far, which they have already paid for the quarantine. And there are almost 5,500 seafarers who will be coming. And also there will be more than 15 to 20,000 non-resident Goans who will be coming as well to Goa. And it is a big relief for them. However, still there is a glitch that they have to pay for the home quarantine until the tests are come. We are not, I would not say we are not happy about it, but at least we are much relieved that people will not be spending money for 7 days or 14 days on quarantine. So I think the process also which the government will do the test should be very quick, that it will be 24 hours or at least by 48 hours the test should be done. So I think this will help everybody to come home in this pandemic time, and it is a victory of all the seafarers, the families and all political parties as well who stood behind us. There was a lot of people who have supported in this campaign, and unfortunately the government have not listened to our grievances, so we had to petition to the Honorable High Court, and before the hearing I think the justice has been done, and I think it's a good news because everybody is losing their job. Even yesterday the people who came from Dubai, we knew they came, they paid for 7 days and they didn't have any money. They didn't have any money, they lost their job, they have no, and the whole world will be into recession for the next 6 months, 7 months, we don't know. So in this time, I think the people who are returning home into Goa, it's a good news and it's a victory of all the people, the seafarers and the people who are staying in London, America, or the one who are in all around the world. Yeah.
So you will be withdrawing your petition?
See, as per my advocate, that now nothing will survive in our plea in the court. So we have our case, but I believe that once the government say that your whatever we had asked from day number 1, that once you test negative, you should be home quarantine. We've been asking this for more than 30, 40 days, 60 days, as per the SOP of the MHA guidelines. It is complied now, at this moment. So I think with this, the judgment is already in our favor. We think this is a victory, and there is no kind of paid quarantine at all. So I think our plea should not will be in the court, because it should be withdrawn, or it should, because the demand is already met already. So hopefully it will be done.
It will be withdrawn or should be withdrawn?
No, I was giving we are grateful to the government, the Bombay High Court, for issuing notice to the government and other authorities. Advocate Carlos Alvarez Ferreira, ex-Advocate General of Goa, and Advocate Dawal Zaveri, who took pains in drafting the petition while in the argue before the Honorable High Court, looking for the interest of the seafarers and other returning from overseas. Now nothing will survive in our plea before the court. Withdraw. Yeah, exactly. Basically it was discriminatory. It was arbitrary that only seafarers or the NRIs should pay, and I think it is not fair. And I thank the Honorable High Court as well for intervening in this matter and issuing the summons to the government. And also the government have come out very clear that there will be no paid quarantine. So it's a good decision, and we are, in this pandemic we should not charge. That's a basic thing, that everybody is, it's in a very bad situation. This is our whole plea was.